Mr. Coffee is bringing a new way to make iced coffee at home with our new Mr. Coffee Iced Coffeemaker. Today I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to prep for first use, and how to make your first cup of iced coffee. In the box, you'll find the coffee maker, the reusable tumbler, lid, and straw, the coffee filter, the coffee ground scoop, your first use instructional slip sheet, the full instructional booklet, and the recipe book, created in partnership with Tarani. The recipe book is a great place to start for creating coffee house style drinks right at home. My favorites are the caramel macchiato and the vanilla iced coffee. Prepping for first use is super simple. All you're gonna do is take your tumbler lid and straw, your coffee filter, your coffee ground scoop, and the brew basket, and wash these in a mix of warm water and mild detergent. You're going to take your tumbler and fill with water to the water marking. You're gonna pour this into the base of the unit. Next, you're gonna put your brew basket back on top, open up the drip spout, and place the reusable coffee filter inside. Close the lid, place the tumbler in front of the drip stop, plug the unit in, and then press start. The unit will brew the water into the tumbler. And once that's complete, you can take the tumbler and discard the water, and now your unit is ready for use.